Hey there, Pokemon TCG fans! Today, I discovered an online method that promises Pokemon TCG pocket-free Poke Gold directly into your account. Naturally, I was intrigued and decided to give it a try. The process required a few details from my game, so I logged in to retrieve my username and check my current Poke Gold balance. With this information in hand, I followed the instructions provided on the site. I entered my username and current Poke Gold amount and began the process. Everything was smooth until a verification prompt appeared. The verification task asked me to download another game and play it until I reached level 9. At first, I thought this might be time-consuming, but it turned out to be quicker than I anticipated. I completed the task, and my verification was successful. Eager to see the results, I went back to my Pokemon TCG Pocket account and checked. To my excitement, the Pokemon TCG Pocket Free Poke Gold I requested had been added successfully. This method genuinely works, and I'm thrilled to share it with you all. Whether you're a seasoned player or new to the game, this is a fantastic way to gain extra Poke Gold without spending any money. The Pokemon TCG Pocket Free Poke Gold links are still working as of November 2024, so this is a great opportunity to stock up on free Poke Gold. If you've been looking for reliable Pokemon TCG Pocket cheats or methods to boost your resources in the game, this approach is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you as well. Until next time, happy gaming and enjoy your free Poke Gold!